from Cluster 3, Yoko number 25, Labano number 8, Hermon number 12, number 19, and Choco jersey number 13 from the Cluster 1. Ordesa number 1, Claveria number 5, Bubot number 91, Naya number 14, and Quaison jersey number 25. First ball possession goes to the Cluster 3. Labanon drives, scores! That's the first score of this ball game from Labanon. Bubot now, pass to Quaison, jersey number 25, Mordese Pay. 14 shot clock, jersey number 91, pass inside Mordese, Claveria, to Naya. 8 to shoot, Mordese, shoot, and Claveria, put back, there's a foul, and one! Basket down, foul, jersey number 12, first personal from Tormon, and first team foul. Bonus roll for jersey number 5. River play on Claveria. He's still on board. There's the down and there's the lead. Again now, jersey number 19, pass to Labanon. Pass to Choco, jersey number 25, Choco double team. 40 shot line, a steal, or goes to Quaison, pass to Mordese. Naya, block. Or goes Claveria, block again by Tormon. Pass to Bubot, jersey number 91, to Claveria. Mordese, no good. A steal. Claveria, lays it up. Good for Bubot. Choco now, jersey number 25, from the Cluster 3, no good. Rebound goes to Claveria. Quaison now, jersey number 25. Extra pass, Mordese. What a defense from the Marinas in the pickup. Good for 2 points from jersey number 5. Labanon now, jersey number 8. Passes Choco, back to Labanon. He sets the play. Outside jumper, no good. A turnover. He scored 9-2. A 7-point lead from Cluster 1, a same ball, yellow ball. Address now to Quaison, what is still by Choco. Choco, inside jumper, no good. But there's a foul. And the Cluster 3. Foul is given to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Labanon. First personal, second team fouls. Mordese now, jersey number 1. Pass to Quaison. Quaison lays it up. No good. And out of bounds. Labanon now, crossing on the middle, jersey number 8, pass to Choco, jersey number 25, back to Labanon. He's playing it on 14 shot clock. Labanon enters the ball, goes to Macalinas, what a block, but there's a foul. And foul is given to jersey number 5 of Claveria. First personal. First team foul. Macalinas first throw, no good. Last throw, jumpers ready. One of the 2 for jersey number 19. 7 minutes, 20 seconds for the first quarter. Quaison back to Bubot, jersey number 91, sets the play. 14 to shoot shot clock. Bubot, kick out, Quaison. 3 points! Magalinas now from the cluster 3. Sioco wants to answer. No good. A turnover from the cluster 3. Waisong. Abubo. Sets the play again by Abubo. Jersey number 91. Abubo. That's a pass. Naya. It's a jumper. No good. Ball goes to Tormon from the cluster 3.
Share the live, idol. Share the live lang. Share the live para maraming makapanood.
Labanon again. Outside jumper. We're good. Rebound Claveria.
Championship game to. Championship game.
Aso Abubon. Jersey number 91. Abubon. Pass inside. Mordeses score. He scored a 14-3. 11-point lead. Last third one. Sioco, jersey number 25, pull up jumper. No good. The rebound goes to Naya. To Mordese. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 drives. No good. And ball goes to Labanon from the process 3. Labanon as a pass. Sioco, shoot. Rebound Abubon, jersey number 91. Abubon now, drop pass to Mordese. Enter second to Mon. Ball goes to Sioco. Jersey number 25, Sioco drives. Good for the point.
Nice. Wow.
Naya, number 14, nice move. Naya scores. 5 minutes, 20 seconds.
Share the live, mga idol. Share the live para marami makapanood.
Sioco. Labanon, jersey number 8.
Championship game.
Pass to Sioco, number 13, 14 shot clock. Pass to Margalinas. No good. And there's a whistle and a foul. A foul is given to jersey number 1, Mordese. First personal, second team fouls. 14 to shoot shot clock. 5 minutes remaining time for the first quarter. 14 shot clock. Same ball. Sioco, corner 3, no good. Sioco, the rebound, number 13, Tormon, put back, good for 2 points. Abubon now to Paison. Pass to Naya. Naya. Pump. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. So this is 14.
Share the live, mga idol. Share the live para marami makapanood.
4 minutes
Championship
and 30
game.
seconds for the first quarter. Sioco. Outside jumper. Short. Back to Marfil. Intercept by Labanon. And outer steal. Outer steal. Labanon. Sioco. Pass to Labanon. Labanon. Floater. Good for 2 points. Paison now, jersey number 25. Pass to Abubon. Back to Paison. Paison, pass inside, Claveria. Kick out, Marfil. Too strong. 10 to shoot, shot clock. Abubon to Naya. 5 to shoot. Bait, Marfil scores.
Wow. This
3 minutes and 35 seconds. Labanon to Sioco, too strong. Rebound goes in the cluster 1 of Bobot, pass break, and he's stepping on the line, turnover. Time out. Last 3. He scored 20 against 9. 11-point lead, last third one. Time remaining, 3 minutes, 23 seconds for the first
watching
quarter.
from Anan.
Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes, 23 seconds for the first quarter. Shot clock. Sioko no good. Ball is out. The same ball. 14 shot clock. Sioko on the inbound. See? A line ball. Sioko again. Pasok ang Galinas. Jersey number 26, Agustin, nice pass, Sioko scores, good for 2 points. Two minutes, 50 seconds, Quaison runs a 3, yes sir, 3 points. Agustin. Sioko, jersey number 25, floater, yes sir, good for 2 points from jersey number 25. 23-13, 10-point lead, turnover, substitution. Bubot out, Villanueva E.
Dito Española, boss. May kilala.
Sioko, jumper, no good. All goes to Claveria. Quaison, pass to Marfil. That's a bad pass.
Thank you so much, Toto Odil. Chito Española, boss. May kilala ka dyan.
Labano now. To number 14, Labano na extra pass, Margarinas. 14 shot clock, kick out, Sioko pick, drives inside, lays it up, a good kick on. Quaison, jersey number 25, Quaison, extra pass, Naya, that's a foul.
Shout out kay Saramata.
Now foul is given to jersey number 25. Sioko, first personal, 13 fouls. 1 minute, 39 seconds, first rule no good. Ball goes to Labanon, jersey number 8. Labanon, all the way, good for 2 points. The jersey number 8. Pameroyan scores, jersey number 24. Sioko now, jersey number 25. Agustin, jersey number 26. Long 3. Yes sir, 3 points. 55 seconds, out of bounds, turnover, 54 seconds. 54 seconds remaining time and the first quarter. Subdivision. Quaison out, Mamades E. Seconds. Sioko. That's a foul. The foul, jersey number 14, hit to the head. Naya, first personal, 13 fouls. A substitution. Naya Pintara. 43 seconds. First throw no good. Last throw, jumpers ready.
Share the live mga idol para maraming makapanood. Championship
Another
game.
two. From Chiyoko. Bamados na jersey number 11. Isil. Agustin. Labanon. Drives. No good. And ball is out. Blaster 3 ball. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. Agustin, outside jumper, no good. Rebound, Juanico, pass to Chiyoko. 20 seconds. Still. 15. Short, reset. 9. 5. Chiyoko, no good. 2 seconds. 2. And foul number 14 from cluster 3. Juanico first personal warning for penalty. 2 seconds. And that's the buzzer for the first quarter. He scored 25-21, down to 4, cluster 1.
Share the live mga idol, share the live. Share the live para marami pa makapanood. Sa atin niya, intense nga laro ngayong hapon.
Okay, play ball. Second quarter. Cluster 1 ball.
Second quarter na kita.
Bobo. There's the number 91. Bobo, pull up, no good. And ball goes to the 1. And they're set. Claveria to the Bobo, no good. Rebound Chiyoko. Chiyoko. Jersey number 25, Labanon. Jersey number 8, extra pass, Juanico scores! Bobot now against Labanon. Bobot to Claveria. Jersey number 5, kick out. Bobot, outside jumper, short. Quaison. Jersey number 25, pull up jumper, no good. And ball goes in the cluster 3, fast break to Agustin, jersey number 26, nice defense by Quaison. And ball goes in the cluster 1, Quaison, jersey number 25, to Abobot, pass inside, and the same ball, cluster 1 ball. For 56 shot clock, Quaison, nice fake. Pump no good, scores Marinaya. Kick off. Juanico, drive, shoot. Rebound Naya. Pasa Bobot, jersey number 91 at the cluster 1. Pasok Claveria. Claveria, extra pass to Naya, jersey number 14. Naya, shoot. Rebound Turmon, pass to Labanon, saves the ball. Pass to Chiyoko, ease the ball. To Labanon. 14 shot clock. Chiyoko, 3 points.
3 points.
8 minutes for the second quarter. Bobo, to Mordese, jersey. Quaison, long two, no good. Rebound Turmon, pass to Chiyoko. Chiyoko now is the ball.
Share the live mga idol, napaka-intense ang laro. Share the live para maraming makapanood sa ating championship game.
Pull up, shoot. Rebound Mordese. He scored now 27-26. Quaison lays it up. Shoot. Better pick. Reverse. No good. Ball is out. Substitution. He scored 27-26. Down to 1. Lasted 1. Wait lang.
Shout out sa ating 197. Shout out sa ating 200 na nanonood ngayong hapon. Napakasaya dito sa Binirayan. Napakaganda ang laro.
Okay, warning for delaying the game. Cluster 3. And Cluster 3, time out. Cluster 3, time out.
Time out. More share mga idol para marami makapanood sa ating live ngayong hapon sa ating championship game ng APA
Okay, back to the ball game.
Basketball Secondary Boys.
7 minutes 22 seconds for the second quarter. 27-26.
Isa lang kapansin.
Labanon, pass inside. Kick out, Chioco. 3 points! Jersey number 13. And Cluster 3 takes the lead. Quaison, one quarter. No good. Arriba jersey number 18. Withdraw to Chioco. Pass to the corner. Back to Chioco. The jersey number 19, pull up jumper, good for 2 points.
Nice.
Foul. Foul, jersey number 8, Labanon. Second personal, first team foul. Labanon, jersey number 8, Rabas. Good for 2 points for jersey number 0. Ardipilo. Quaison now, jersey number 25, extra pass, Mortensen, extra foul. 6 minutes, foul number 08, Cordevilla, first personal. Second team foul. 2 shots for Mortensen. Number 18 in the draw, it's Chioco. Jersey number 25, 14 shot clock. Jumper. No good. Ball goes to Macalinas. Jersey number 19. Anderson. Ball goes to Abumot. Marfil to Abumot. And there's a contact foul. Jersey number 25, Sioko. Sioko, second personal, third team foul. There's no Boston. Seconds. Ball goes to Sioko. Out of bounds. Subdivision. Throw out Augustine. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sioko block. Marfil to Mamades. Here's number 11. Mamades now is the ball. 5 minutes. Agustin says the ball to Sioko. Pass to Sioko number 13. To Sioko number 25. Pass inside. For Libya. Good for 2 points. Bobot now, jersey number 91 that starts the play. Pass inside, block, Beria, no good. The rebound goes to Sioko and the foul. The jersey number 5, the club Beria, second personal, first team foul. 4 minutes, 28 seconds.
Share the live mga idol para maraming makapanood sa ating live.
Agustin.
Sa championship game ng Cluster 3 versus Cluster 1.
40 shot clock, what a steal! Abdobo plays it up, and he's a deal. 35-32, 3-point lead, Cluster 3.
3-point play by Cluster 3.
Sioko. Pass to Cordovilla, 14 shot clock. Long 3 no good, the rebound Sioko. To Sioko, 10 to shoot. Sioko drop pass, Cordovilla block. Macalinas score. 3 minutes, 35 seconds. To shoot shot clock. Nice pass. Naya inside number. Good for 2. Agustin. Short. Sioko pick the ball. Back to Agustin. To Sioko. 10 to shoot shot clock. 3 minutes. Sioko no good. Foul. Jersey number 08. Jersey number 08, second personal warning for penalty. 2 minutes, 54 seconds. To the corner, Waison Nila. Marfil to Claveria, there's a foul, and 1. And basket count to foul is given to jersey number 25, Sioko, third personal. Penalty situation, bonus throw, 2 minutes, 38 seconds, 37-36. Down to 1 cluster 3. Now jersey number 25. Kick out to Labanon. Jersey number 8. Labanon back to Tioko floater. No good. Wow, Tioko rebound. Good for 2 points. Time out.
Time out.
Cluster 1. 39-36, 3-point lead, cluster 3. Time remaining, 2 minutes, 26 seconds.
Tatlo lang match mga idol. Mga idol sa likod, padawag. Shout out lang mga idol.
Okay, back to the ball game. Cluster 1 ball. Bobo now. Take out to Abubo. Quaison 14 shot clock. Quaison 3 points. He scored deadlock 39 all. 2 minutes. Labanon 14 shot clock. Agustin Watchwater scored. Abubo to pass break. Quaison na ball score. Nakalinyas to Agustin. Good for 2 points. There's again 41 all. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Abubo to the corner. Quaison. No good. Alright, first up, ball goes to Abubo, jersey number 91. 10 to shoot shot clock. Abubo, no good. Ball goes to Marfil. 1 minute and 10. 10 to shoot shot clock. Quaison, no good. Put back by Claveria. But there's a foul. The foul is given to jersey number 19. Penalty red. Jersey number 19, Magdalenas. First personal. 1 minute, 3 seconds. 1 minute, 3 seconds for the second quarter. First throw basket. Last throw, jumpers ready. Super field. 1 minute remaining time. Juanico tries extra pass. Tioko out of bounds. 54 seconds. 54 seconds. Seconds. Quaison to the corner. Marfil, no good. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. .35. Labanon, no good. Ball goes to Claveria. Fast break. Marfil. Intercept, 28 seconds. Substitution. 28 seconds. .25 seconds. Nice pass. And a foul. 21 seconds. Foul jersey number 12, 31 second. Personal. Penalty situation. First row no good. Last row. Jumpers ready. 21 seconds. If free throws missed, out of bounds, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Kyoko. Hey, pump, shoot. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 5. Points on 3. And that's the end of the first half. He scored 45, 41, 46, 46, 41, a 5-point lead, Castle 1.
Shout out lang, idol, shout out lang. 41-46, favor of Cluster 1. For the first half. Mga supporters, so shout out lang mga lord. Yan, puno-puno dito mga idol sa likod. Yan, kita mo, puno-puno. Yan, kahit saan tayo pupunta. Yung camera, daming tao. Yan, naga doon. Yan. Ang mga hindi-post natin dito, nandito rin mga University Matiki. Sir, Facebook.
Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter.
Third quarter.
Change score. Cluster 3 ball.
Labang ang Cluster 3 ng 5.
Kyoko Pei. Kyoko extra pass. Margarina short. Tormon reverse. No good. And ball goes through. A jump ball. Cluster 1 ball. Jersey number 91, Bobo. To the corner, Marfil, 3 points. Kyoko now, to Kyoko, long 3 points.
Wow.
Naya, offensive foul. And number 14, offensive foul, second personal for Naya, and first team foul. Kyoko, pula pakai for 3, no good. Rebound na Bobon, jersey number 91. Bobon na Raja Magaling sa Bobon. Extra pass inside Claveria. Good for 2 points.
The score.
Labanan to Kyoko, outside jumper, no good. Rebound na Bobon, jersey number 91, plus 1. Fast break, Claveria then score. Labanon now, jersey number 8.
Score is 44-53.
Labanon.
Favor of Cluster 1.
Choco to Choco. 14 shot clock.
44-53. Favor of Cluster 1.
10 to shoot. What a block by Naya. Over pass break. Quaison, no good. Marfil dari bawah inside jumper shoot. Marfil again. That's a foul.
Balbal, Nel, Araki, Quaison, Amaw.
A foul is given to jersey number 8, Labanon. Third personal for Labanon. Tatlong na Labanon and first team foul.
Kadya ko lang nakita mga comments sa mga idol. Kadya lang nag-appear. Sorry kid, wala ko ba ano kanina? Score.
Last throw. Jumpers ready. Two free throws miss. Right field, rebound, Labanon to Choco. 8 minutes for the third quarter.
8 minutes for the third quarter.
Bobot, jersey number 91 and the same ball goes to the ball. Pass to Choco, jersey number 13. Choco. Nice, that's a foul. Head one. Basket down to foul number 14, Naya. Third person.
46, 53. Favor of Cluster 1.
Jumpers ready. No good. Mordese, to Quaison, corner 3, short. Now goes to Claveria. Mordese, wants a 3, short. Claveria, floater, no good. Naya, put back, good for 2 points. Labanon now, jersey number 8, the cluster 3, pass inside, Choco take it pump. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Bobot now, jersey number 91, sets the play. 7 minutes for the third quarter. Outside the bird. Short. Rebound Tormon. Pass to Labanon. Labanon to Magalinas. To Choco. Long 3. Okay. Mordese now, he's the ball. Jersey number 1. Pass to Bobot. 14 shot clock. Mordese. Extra pass. Naya. Back there. Steal. Choco. Drop pass. Labanon shoot. Jersey number 91. Nice pass. Reverse. Like Claveria scores. Six minutes. Choco. No good. And ball is out. That's a 3-ball substitution. Substitution. Labanon, corner 3. No good. So against Agustin, extra pass. Naya, no good. The rebound, Choco. Jersey number 25. Choco now to Labanon, jersey number 8. Pass to the corner, Agustin, no good. Mordese to Claveria. Jersey number 5, Claveria, kick out. Quaison fires, no good. Juanico, number 14, Juanico, pull up, no good. Rebound Claveria. Bobot now against Juanico. Bobo to Quaison, fake, pass to Naya, 14 shot clock. Mordese short, Claveria the rebound. Steal. 5 minutes. Hey, third over. 4 minutes. Shoot. Mordese again. Intercept. Mordese saves the ball. 14 shot clock. Naya. Shoot. Naya put back. Win for 2 points. 59-48. 11-point lead. Cluster 1. Foul jersey number 1. Second team fouls. Third team fouls. Timeout. Cluster 3.
This timeout is brought to you by Kailaw Black. Kailaw
Score 59-48. 11-point lead with Cluster 1.
39-48. 59-48.
Okay, back to the ball game. Agustin now gets number 26. Agustin. Ball goes to Marinas. 12 shot clock. 1 call. That's a foul. Jersey number 91. Bubot first personal. Warning for penalty. First row basket, last row, jumpers ready. Bubot now against Margarinas. Bubot adds a pass. Claveria scores. Jersey number 14, 1 ball. Agustin Pate. Agustin adds a pass. Number 7, steal by Claveria. Quaison. No good. Rebound Agustin. Tulabanon. Jersey number 8, nice pass. Margarinas inside double. What a defense by Naya. Naya to Bubot. Pass break. Garfield. Drop pass. Quaison score. Haba na. 3 minutes. 14 shot clock. Offensive foul. Illegal screening. Jersey number 25. Fourth personal. Apat ka na. Sioko. And second team foul. Jersey number 91, Bubot, pull up. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. 65-49.
65-49.
Sioko, jersey number 13. Pass to Labanon. Labanon, there's the pass. Margarinas. Pass inside. Tormona, good for 2. Quaison, floater. Yes, sir. Good for 2 points. Labanon, 1-3, no good. Rebound Claveria. Pass to Bubot. 2 minutes for the third quarter. Moving down, jersey number 91. Tukwaison fires, no good. That's a 3 ball. Sioko, number 13, nice pass, Tormon, that's a foul.
Aban siya dyan ang cluster 1.
A foul is given to jersey number 5, Claveria. Third personal for Claveria and penalty situation.
51-67, favor of cluster 1.
Last throw, jumpers ready. Bobot now starts the play, pass to the corner. Fake by Marfield, deep out. 14 shot clock. 14 to shoot. Quaison. 10 to shoot. Naya to Marfield. Marfield drop pass to Naya. 5 to shoot. Nice block. Labanon now. Jersey number 8. Labanon drives extra pass. Enters 7 Marfield. Save the ball. Out of bounds. That's a 1 ball substitution. Bubo, jersey number 91. Pass inside. No good. Put back. No good. And the put back. No good again. Ball goes to the cluster 3. Sioko. That's a foul. Jersey number 91. Second personal foul. 46 seconds. 46. Last throw, jumpers ready. No good. Ivan Mordesa. Ball is out. Substitution 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Seconds. 10 to shoot shot clock. 5 to shoot.
Cluster 1. Labanon.
Good. 24 seconds. Nice defense. 18 seconds. 15. Camiroyan 3 points. 8 seconds. 5. And that's the end of the third.
The end of the third quarter.
Score 70-51. 19-point lead.
70-51.
Master 1.
70-51. Favor of cluster 1. 19 point ang lamang ng cluster 1. Walk out mga loads. Picturean lang, picturean.
Okay, play ball. Fourth and final quarter.
Fourth short.
Ball possession, cluster 3.
Hindi mapunggan ang cluster 1.
Cluster 3 ball. Cluster 3 ball. Cluster 3. Labanon. Toward the speed. No good. Mira Mordes pass break. Marfil. Yes, sir. Good to 2 points. Labanon now sets a play. 1 set 3. Short. And there's a foul. And foul is given to Vinci number 24, Pame Royan. First personal, first team foul. Sioko steal. Bogot lays it up. Shoot. Cluster 3 ball. Labanon. There's number 8. Pass Agustin. Agustin. No good. Tormo on the rebound. There's number 12. Out of bounds. Cluster 1 ball. Abubo. Nas Agustin. Nice pass. Good for 2 points. From the cluster 1. Sioko. No good. Rebound Pameroyan. Nagbubot pa kay Mordes. Ito Marfil. Score! 51-76. Wala pa ng score. Another steal, another turnover. Marfil scores again. Time out.
Time out.
Cluster 3.
Time out, cluster 3. Fifty-one, 78.
7 minutes, 53 seconds. He scored 78. 51.
Alpen, Joy, Puyong, go cluster 1. Minugdaog na cluster 1. Abangan sa Webra.
Now, jersey number 8. Sioko, that's a foul. Jersey number 1, Mordes, third personal. Tatlo ka na Mordes, second team foul. 14 shot clock. Time to shoot. Sioko. Nice pass. Another steal. From the cluster 1, Mordes to Victara. There's a break, no good. And rebound, Pame Royan. Mordes to Abubon. There's number 91, Marfil. Take pump. Blocked by Agustin and ball goes to Labanon. Labanon as a pass, Sioko short, Sioko again, put back, good for 2.
Shout out sa
6
mga
minutes
viewers.
and
Thank you so
28
much.
seconds. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Abubot. 3 points. Mordesen wants a 3, no good. Pameroyan the rebound. There's number 24, Barfield. 3 points.
Back-to-back 3 points.
Yoko now, there's number 13, Tor Lampanon. Pass to Agustin. No good. A rebound. Olivia. Yoko. Tor Lampanon. No good.
Ay!
Here. Abobot. To Pameroyan. Scores again. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 4:50. Agustin. Lampanon to Agustin. No good. Rebound Abobot intercept Lampanon. Jersey number 8 in the class. 3. Lampanon. Nice pass. Good for 2 points.
Puro mamaw yung cluster 1, idol.
14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Mordese. No good. Mordese again. Mordese kick out to Abobot. 10 to shoot shot clock. Pameroyan outside jumper. No good. Lampanon. Pass rate Yoko. Good for 2 points. Timeout. Cluster 1.
Time out.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds. The score 88-57.
88-57.
88-57 in favor of the cluster 1. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 50 to end the fourth and final quarter. Cluster 1 ball. Cluster 1 ball. Naya Propsian. Losing number 9. Back to Naya. Number 14. That's a foul. A foul is given to jersey number 14. Waniko. Second personal.
Naya,
First team
cluster
foul.
1. Bensi, Aguy, Agay. Puro mamaw, cluster 1. Kaproud. Alin kay Bensi. Thank you so much, Sir Bensi.
Lampanon. Wala pa rin tres. Ito si Lampanon. Jersey number 91. 3 minutes remaining time. Pass to the corner of Shiana. Extra pass. Jersey number 4, no good. Naya. Kick out. Intercept. Waniko. Pick ball. Jersey number 14. Pass to Chioko. Chioko. Steal again by Abobot. Kuwata steal by Abobot. To Naya. No good. And Abobot. Good for 2 points.
Nice one, Naya.
Lampanon. No good. Lampanon again. To Margalinas. Jersey number 19. To Chioko. 10 to shoot shot clock. Wait for 2. Time off. Cluster 1. 2 minutes, 3 seconds.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, 3 seconds. Two minutes and 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes of Shana Black. Ball goes to the cluster 3. Cluster 1 goes, scores again. Melo, from Shana, jersey number 9. Pass inside, kick out, Melo. Good for 2 points. Again to one and goal. That is no good. Foul. Jersey number 30. First personal, second team fouls. Melo. Foul and 1. Basket count, foul number 26. Jersey number 14, Monaco no good. Jersey number 2, put back, good for 2 points. 48 seconds. 45. Shot number 13, 40 seconds. That's a bad pass.
Score is 63-96. Favor of cluster 1. Malbaol, Abansi.
28 seconds. 25. One go outside number 3 points. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5. And that's the end of the game.